Very lovely morning, my students. Welcome in Social Studies class. And today, your SST teacher is here with some different work. You want to know? Okay. देखिए, you are preparing activity videos or activity pictures, activities of all subjects. Now it's time to do SST activity. Okay? You want to know? क्या करना है एक्टिविटी में? Yes. Okay. So I will tell you, first of all, I will tell you the rules. Then I will explain you the videos. I will explain you the activity, how you have to prepare the activity. Okay, students? Yes, beta, now I am explaining you the rules. Okay, listen to me very carefully. Your EV1 SST activity will be of 10 marks total. Okay, listen to me very carefully. And there are two activities. One is activity number 1, national symbols, and second is activity 2, solar system. ठीक है, one by one I will explain you and listen to me. Activity 1, national symbols. This activity will be conducted in the live Zoom session. Yes, bete, activity 1, national symbol. This is of 5 marks and this activity will be conducted in the live Zoom session only. Okay, so attendance is mandatory for all. Attendance is compulsory for all. Okay, आपको present रहना है on 6th August, Lily, Daisy and Lotus section. ठीक है, and 7th August, Rose and Tulip. Clear? Clear to all? 6th August, Friday, Lily, Daisy and Lotus section, and 7th August, Rose and Tulip. Clear to all? These are the days for online live Zoom session activity, national symbol. But in this activity, national symbols, you have to draw or paste at least 4 national symbols and explain one by one of them. Yes, you can see in this picture, beta, I have prepared this activity for you. Look here. In this, I have drawn 4 national symbols and I have written the names. But you have to draw or you can paste. आप ड्रॉ भी कर सकते हो और पेस्ट भी कर सकते हो 4 national symbols on A4 size sheet. But you have to choose any one national symbol and you have to explain about them. You will be having 1 minute to explain your video, to explain your activity. ठीक है, आपको 4 national symbols ड्रॉ कर सकते हो या फिर पेस्ट. This is your choice on A4 size sheet like this, or you can paste or draw. But you have to explain one of them. Is it clear? Properly. And criteria for this activity is content 2.5 marks, जो भी आप बोलेंगे. Presentation आपकी 2 marks की होगी. Adhering to rules 0.5 marks. Okay, this is of 5 marks. Clear? Clear about activity 1? This is compulsory for all. 2 activities है, means no choice. आपके पास choice नहीं है कि आप कोई एक prepare करो. Both are compulsory. But this national symbols activity will be conducted in the Zoom session only because you have to explain about one national symbol and you have to draw or you can paste 4 national symbol on A4 size sheet. Then your choice कि आप कौन सा explain कर रहे हो उसमें से. ठीक है? Clear to all? Now come on activity 2 bete, solar system. Solar system activity. This activity you have to prepare on a chart, and of this activity you have to send the pic. ठीक है, आपको अपने साथ चार्ट लेके और ब्राउन यूनिफॉर्म में जो है आपको एक्टिविटी की पिक मैम को सेंड करनी है. इज इट क्लियर? ठीक है, ड्रॉ और पेस्ट सोलर सिस्टम ऑन अ चार्ट. लुक हेयर बेटा, in this picture, this is the solar system activity, activity 2. In this activity you can draw or you can paste the solar system, you can paste the planets on a chart. ठीक है, and stickers given on last page of SST book. आपकी बुक में planets के जो है pictures given हैं. ठीक है, stickers given हैं, so you can paste, you can use that stickers also. ठीक है, and this of this activity you have to send the pic. ठीक है, to your class teacher. Last date for all is 7th August 2021. Lily students will send the pic to Anu ma'am, and Daisy, Lotus, Rose, Tulip section students send your activity pic to me only. Is it clear? Criteria for judgment for this activity is 2.5 marks creativity. कि आप कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे, क्या उसमें अपनी क्रिएटिविटी डालेंगे. ऐसा नहीं है जैसा मैम ने आपको शो किया आप सेम वैसे ही बना रहे हो. नॉट. आपकी क्रिएटिविटी विल बी ऑफ 2.5 मार्क्स. एक्यूरेसी 1 मार्क, कि आपका कितना एग्जैक्ट है आपकी एक्टिविटी. नीटनेस 1 मार्क. अदरिंग टू रूल 0.5 मार्क्स. इज इट क्लियर? दिस एक्टिविटी इज ऑल्सो ऑफ 5 मार्क्स. 5 मार्क्स आपकी एक्टिविटी 1 है बेटे, 5 मार्क्स एक्टिविटी 2 है. आई एम रिपीटिंग द थिंग्स. एक्टिविटी 1 नेशनल सिंबल्स विल बी कंडक्टेड इन द लाइव जूम सेशन ओनली. इन दिस एक्टिविटी यू कैन ड्रॉ और यू कैन पेस्ट 4 national symbols, but you have to explain 1 national symbol in the live Zoom session, and this is mandatory for all. That day you have to attend the Zoom session. This is compulsory for all. I am repeating the dates. 6th August, Lily, Daisy and Lotus. 7th August, Rose and Tulip. Is it clear to all? Second activity, solar system. इस एक्टिविटी की आपको पिक्चर सेंड करनी है, एक्टिविटी बना के, एंड यू हैव टू सेंड द पिक्चर टू योर टीचर. Is it clear? Last date picture submission is 7th August 2021. And now I want to explain some common rules for this activity too for all. That dress up smartly in proper brown uniform. Take care of the background. Your background should be proper. Clear? Plain wall or plain curtain. Clear? Next, pic should be in the landscape mode only. Otherwise it would not be accepted. And it is compulsory for all, as marks awarded will be considered for result EV1 social studies activity. आपके जो ये 10 marks हैं that will be added in your EV1. ओके. 40 मार्क्स का रिटर्न होता है, 10 मार्क्स की एक्टिविटी होती है. तो 10 मार्क्स हमने 2 एक्टिविटीज में डिवाइड किए हैं. 1 एक्टिविटी विल बी कंडक्टेड इन लाइव जूम सेशन, एंड ऑफ 1 एक्टिविटी यू हैव टू सेंड द पिक टू योर टीचर. इज इट क्लियर? एंड दिस इज कंपल्सरी फॉर ऑल. Child must mention name, class and section. I think everything is clear to you. I have explained each and everything. Okay? If any doubt, any confusion, then you can call your subject teacher anytime. Is it clear to all? Okay beta. So good luck. Bye bye everyone.